In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mention someone in Asana. Mentioning a teammate is a quick way to bring the right person into a conversation, highlight a point that needs attention, and make sure your message doesn't get lost. It also creates a handy link to their profile so everyone knows exactly who you're referencing, and it triggers a notification based on their settings so they see your note right away. Start by opening any task in Asana and placing your cursor in either the description field or the comment box. The description is great for adding context, instructions, or documenting details that should live with the task long term. The comment box is ideal for quick updates, questions, or decisions. Both places fully support mentions, so choose the one that best fits the kind of message you're sending. Now type the @ symbol, followed by the person's name. You don't need to type the entire name, just start with a few letters after the @ symbol. As you type, Asana will show a drop-down list of matching teammates. This is helpful if your organization has many people with similar names, and it also reduces the chance of tagging the wrong person. Keep typing until you see the correct teammate appear. Next, select the person from the drop-down. You can click their name with your mouse, or you can use the arrow keys to highlight them and press enter. As soon as you select their name, you'll see it convert into a highlighted mention in your text. That means the link is active and Asana will handle the notification once you post your comment or save your changes. When you're ready to send your message, click comment to post it or press Ctrl+Enter as a shortcut. If you're working in the description, make sure your changes are saved before you move on. The mention will remain clickable and your teammate will be notified so they can jump straight to the task. A few quick tips to make this smoother: double check spelling if you don't immediately see the right person in the list, and make sure they're part of the same Asana workspace or project. If you still can't find them, they might not have access, so coordinate with your team lead or admin. You can also include more than one mention in a single message if multiple people need visibility, and that's all it takes. Open the description or comment box, type the @ symbol and their name, pick the right person from the drop-down, and send. It's a small step that saves time and keeps everyone aligned.